Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My today's lecture has been designed as Holy Quran is 100% divine messages from Allah, the creator of the universe. Inshallah, today is the last episode. So, in the conclusion of my lecture, that is the last episode, I want to opine like this. If anyone has some doubts, little or big, I fervently request you, please read out 2 or 3 chapters of the Holy Quran. Then you compare and think deeply whether it is made by any human or made by the creator of the universe. However, if Torah is the true book, true divine book, if Zabur is the true divine book, if Injil is the true divine book, then why not Quran? Maybe the divine book. Must be it is the divine book revealed to Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam from Allah, the Creator. And in fine, I am to request to you, dear listeners, audience, and viewers, please, I will read out a few verses from the Holy Quran for your benefits, I think. Number 1, chapter of verse number 9. He it is who has sent his messenger Muhammad with guidance and the religion of truth to make it victorious over all religion, even though the mushrikins, pagans and idolaters and disbelievers in oneness of Allah and His Prophet Muhammad hate it. Chapter Al Imran, verse number 85. And whoever seeks a religion other than Islam, it will never be accepted of him, and in the hereafter he will be one of the losers. Chapter Maida, verse number 3. This day I have perfected your religion for you, completed my favor upon you, and have chosen for you Islam as your religion. Chapter Baqarah, verse number 132. Allah has chosen for you the religion, then die not except in the faith of Islam. Thank you very much. Dear viewers, audience, may Allah help me and may Allah help you. Let's go to think about the authentication of the Holy Quran and choose what to do, whether you will choose Islam and the Holy Quran for the eternal peace or not. Thank you very much. May Allah help us from all kinds of disease, disasters and problems. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.